Alright, YouTubers, welcome back. Now I'm going to teach you how to make a pair of handcuffs like these out of paracord. It's very simple to do. Now, to do this, you will require about 6 feet of paracord. Take the ends, you hold them evenly, and bring it up to the U-bend of the rope. And you hold this U-bend in between your index and your thumb finger. Your index finger and your thumb. And you make 4 loose loops over top of your index finger. And then you do the same over top of your thumb. And you bring your fingers together, and you see how it makes the roll like that with the little lip. Now you're going to want to take the right strand and feed it through the side from your index finger going to your thumb and pull it through. You're going to want to do the same thing with the left side, but feed it through the thumb side or the left side of the and pull it through over to the right. Very difficult process when you have fat fingers like I do. Now, that is done, you hold the ends and you take the 2 large loops and you hold it in the middle. And you work it up and down to tighten up the knot. This is a very annoying process. Now you want to make sure you have each of your knots or loops very nice and uniform, like so. You want to tighten it up, make sure they're very nice, uniform, and even. As you can see, mine are not all that well, but with a little bit of finesse and some extra work and a couple extra seconds of time, you can make them. They will look like this. I know they kind of resemble a pair of boobs or testicles for you perverts out there. Now, to demonstrate how these work, I'm going to put them on my feet so I can get them off. Now you pull the loose end to tighten them. You'll bear with me. I don't have a tripod or anything. This is what they will look like. They're very effective. As you can see, I'm pushing against them with my feet. I cannot pull them apart. Now, to remove them, it's very simple. You take this end and you push or pull the string away from the knot. Once again, I apologize for the shoddy camera work. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed and learned something today.